Welcome, welcome. How's everybody doing? Cells are incoming. How are you guys doing? Everything is okay? Audio is good? All right, look at the previous daily closure. A very, very good closure, a very heavy sign for the bearish momentum in the market. Okay. What we need to do here, there are two things, two possibilities. The first one is you can wait for either the daily flip or you can wait for this 15 closure. Once this 15 gives a nice closure below this zone, then yes, there's going to be another sell position. By the way, this entry we took on the NY session, so I'm going to remove it. So yes, the cells are incoming. All we have to do is wait for the 15, give a nice closure below that zone in next 5 minutes, and then we're going to take some sell entries right there. Okay, how's everyone doing? Why are you so quiet today, chat? What are your thoughts? Is it gonna push up, down, left, right? What you think? Whoa, whoa, whoa. All right, looks like nobody's interested in taking the cells. All right, then you know what? I'm gonna hide the entry. This is better. How many likes we get? 2000. It's reasonable. It's reasonable. It's reasonable, but still no. All you guys gonna see today is just the lines. That's it. You guys only gonna see lines today. The trade is for YouTube only. If you want to see the full chart, you can go and watch on the YouTube. Here, you're only gonna see the lines. That's it. If you can message in the chat, oh yo yo. What about the snake eye? Ah, yeah, you can see snake eye. Snake eye, yes, that's fine. Snake eye is here for you. Snake eye is waiting in Scottsdale Resort for me and Tim. All right, 3 more minutes. This 15 is about to close. Next one is gonna give us nice sales incoming. Let's see, let's see, let's see. And it's gonna drop like a knife on a butter. Mm. Mm. Sounds good though. Tap tap, yes. Break the screen, guys. Tap tap. On my way. Yes, Tim. Tim is on his Audi. Full pot. He's going 160 on 202. How many of you think sells? How many of you think buys? Because if more people are looking for buys, then we're going to take sells. If more people are looking for sells, we're going to take buys. So it depends on you guys. Sales, okay. K9 sales. So let 4680. Ooh, okay. Sales, okay. Imran is sales. Tabo Maloko. Tabo Maloko, sales. Okay, everybody is getting in sales. Let's go in the buys. No, we're gonna take sales. Wait for one more minute and then yes, the entry is incoming. A nice sales incoming, and this daily is gonna flip. This weekly is already flipping. Yes, market is screaming. Take the sales. Take the sales. All right, Dinah is here. Now, Dinah, what you think? The sales. If she said buys, we're gonna take sales. So, Dinah, what you think? She like you're not giving me any choice though. So yeah, Dinah, sales or buys? Sales or pays? Sales. Okay, she's also saying sales. Sell or buy, no matter market will go with us, Mr. Janisha. The Janisha. He or she is saying no matter wherever we're going to take the position, market going to go in the other way, no, in our direction. So let's see. Yeah, all we have to do is wait for the next 15 creating the top wick. The stops are good because the stops are at the daily highs, the hourly highs, the 4 hour highs, the session highs. So it's going to be good. It's going to be good, and it's not bad stop, but the potential in this trade is nice. It's good. Okay. Yeah, I'm just waiting for the top wick. Let the price push up. The sales are still valid if the price stays below 4680s. Once it starts breaking above that, no more sales. Then we have to come with another idea. Idea. Okay. You can start using the flexible risk here, taking the sells and some above that zone. Absolutely your call. Now, once the price drop, maybe 50, 60, 100 ticks, then please don't ask in the chat, where is the entry? Can I get entry now? Can we take these cells now? Can we get into this trade now? Don't ask that at that time. Okay. Because we see every single day that's what happened, that once the move is done, once the price goes maybe 100 200 ticks, then you guys starts having the FOMO, and then you start asking, should we enter now? I mean right now, when the setup is there, when the price is trying to go there, you're scared, right? You're on my TV on YouTube. Solid setup, yeah. Yes, okay, good. Or 30 is about to close in 10. Okay. On the flip of the next 30, I might gonna add more contracts if the price stay below that zone. So far, price pushed down around 60, 70 ticks. Yeah, 60 ticks. But we're greedy, we want more. Today is a sale, yes. Yes, Park, today is a sale. Snake Eye told me personally. Eight more minutes, this 30 is about to close. If this close below on the flip of next one, I'm gonna add more contracts in this trade. Do you share when will you enter? I am in, Tom. I'm already in. Come on, Snake Eye. We're not having that much fun. Do something better. Okay. No more Snake Eye. Spark, what you think tonight? I know you said for the sales, but where? So, Spark, do you see external liquidity or internal? Internal. Annie, why you message on the Discord? Are you watching on the YouTube? You can message on the YouTube chat or you can message on the TikTok chat. You don't have to message on the Discord. 4755. That's where you see the sales. Why not? 4670. Sorry. No, you don't have to sorry. I'm just saying it's more convenient for you, you know. If you want to message in the Discord, it's fine. That's the highest probability. Yes. Yeah, that's the highest probability. Plus, if you open the weekly and once the daily starts flipping, oh man, it's going to create a big wick and boom, a nice draw. And by looking at this previous daily closure, which was today before the session closed, that was crazy though. Tomorrow we have, I think, unemployment claims. Okay, yeah. So one medium impact news. Friday is going to be fun. Friday we have a bunch of high impact news though. It's gonna be fun on Friday though. Like today. Today was good day. Today we get a lot of fun. Look, this is gold. Gold is wearing these shorts, and then we need to. It's saying go, 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 gold, go, go, go. Next, that's too much. Volume time is coming. Who sing these kind of songs? Come on, guys. Come on. Why? 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 Why you just be a normal human being? Just sing some few Titanic songs. That's it. All right, 30. Now, if this 30 gives me a topic and then flip, that's where I'm gonna add more contracts in this trade. Okay. If it not gonna give me the topic, and then no. Okay. Right now, yes, I'm still in this trade. I will be, and I will add once it gives me a topic. That's it. How much is membership? Richie Rich. You don't need membership. You're already rich. There's Richie in your name. Plus, you have the dollar sign. You probably have like maybe a few trillion dollars, right? Don't worry about the membership, man. Don't worry about the membership. Just buy the course. Buy my course. That's it. Ju- Just buy my course. That's it. You'll be fine with that. Once I give you the course, man, it's good for me. I don't have to deal with any of the BS here. Just buy the course. That's it. That's the easiest way to make money for me. And I think I should do that. I should do that. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna create a course and I'm just gonna sell the course. And the price should be what? Kitty and Spark. What should the price we should set for that? Meow. Yeah. Good. We're on the TikTok. I don't I just see your laughing. That's it. Two 2000. Okay, Thai said $2,000. No, Thai don't 2000. It huh? 30. Mm, hmm. Mm. Let me. How many of the VIP? Oh, Spark is here. Hey, hey, what's up? Is this accident join or I said is this accidentally join or you want? Oh, okay. Yes, what's up? As soon as you join, the price starts pushing down, man. I'm telling you, the bot idea, it's not bad. Mm. Yeah. 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 Guys, so upcoming days, there are two things. One, we're gonna add the course in the section. That's the easiest way for me to make money out of you. And this to to afford my $4,000 apartment. And and the other thing is the board. We're working on that. So yeah. Yeah, these guys, they're never going to appreciate it. The things we do here for free, they they're never going to do that. Anyways, the price is still dropping. The entry is still valid. The sales are still valid. So yeah, it didn't give me chance to add more in this position because this 30 never push up to create that topic. So yeah, let's see. So Spark, you're looking at the cells below this zone or below the daily flip? What? What? Yeah, what you think? Yeah. I mean, you already tell sales, right? You already told Kitty, Kitty, you either straight or you're not. There's nothing in between. So you either taking the cells or you're not, you know. You cannot say I'm both, you know, then it's iffy. Yeah. Mr. Tom, do you want me to spank you right now? He's I think he's joking. He I already tell them don't ask me once the price starts pushing down for the entry. W's okay. Rick is already in the wins. W's, yes sir. W's. Now you see the price touch this zone. At this point, it's your job to secure your profits. And if you want to take the partials, gonna do break even. However you want to do it, you can do it. The scary guy, okay, I can remove him. I can put some happy guy there. Mm, but happy guy is not gonna work. We need to put some scary guys. That's how gold works. Mm, okay, right now we can put this guy. Mm, yeah, man, I'm telling you, you should start looking at the charts only for the futures. Just use the IC markets for taking the trades because this will give you more accurate candlestick story than any other. or you or get like two screens or two phones or two computers, something like that, you know. Right now I'm using two, so one is 34, the other one is 27. Yeah. It looks like the sellers are nicely pushing the price down. Yeah, 15 closure is coming in 4 minutes. Once it gives a nice closure below this zone, it's going to be even further pushed down. And once the 4 hour and daily flip, man, it's game over. It's game over. Let's see if we. Mm-hmm. What? It's waiting for some volume, waiting for the volume, and then you see this waiting sign. The turtle is waiting because Kitty didn't like that beautiful guy. That's the point. Needs to be creepy. It needs to be creepy. Okay, what about this one? I think this is the better, right? No, this is better. A clown with the shorts. How about that? What? Mm, mm. You know, that's the first thing what my brother said when he visited me here. It's like, you guys have some serious problem. And yeah. Have you seen the calories on Cheesecake Factory cake? The one slice? Why? Mm, duh. Yeah, no, the cells are, yeah, it's today, I think it looks like the selling market. Let's see. The food is fake, yes, sir. Yeah, even though I try to get like organic food, like groceries and all that, but still I don't think it's organic. It still have some things in it. Yeah. All right, guys, we are up around 100 ticks. 100 ticks. Can we see some W's in the chat? And it's still dropping from that price. What else you need from me? Now, I want you to do one favor, which is buy my course and get my bot. It will trade for you guys. Okay. All you have to do is pay like $5,000 subscription fee for that bot and it will trade for you. What? You're gonna make hundreds of thousands of dollars with that bot. 5,000 is nothing. It's just maybe like one day trading with that bot. No, the yeah, 5,000 is the base rate, right? The 5,000 is introduction rate. After that, above the 5,000, whatever you're gonna make, you can keep till 5,000. Above that, that's the profit split. So we want you to cover your cost. You're getting 5,000, we're getting 5,000. Above that, it's going to be 50-50. What? Because we're actively, no, because we're actively going to observe the bot. It's not like one time it's okay, we just make it and now you're at your own. We actively going to do the changes. We actively going to observe the market every single day and see what the market is doing, and we're going to adjust those settings according to that. So it's a lot of work, it's a lot of team, it's a lot of effort required with that. So that's why it's 50-50. But in the beginning, we will give you maybe some more. We will see how the things work. But the 5,000 is the starting cost, and then uh, after that, you can keep your first 5,000 profit in your pocket. It's 100% yours. Okay, it doesn't matter if it take you 1 month, 2 month, 3 month, 5 months. That 5,000 is yours. Above those 5,000, that's going to be the profit split. Why profit split? Because when you're gonna make money, we're gonna make money. It's not like one time deal. Okay, you're at your own, that's it. This is how it keeps us motivated to keep look at the board. It's working fine, and it's also good for you. And it's gonna trade the same way what how we do it here on live, if Spark set the good settings. Spark, you think on the flip of this 15? No? I think flip of the 15, it's good. It's good. Hello everyone. Hey, all, what's up? How are you? Sister! No? No? So, so only Dinah is sister to you. Not Olet's up, not Ari, not Maria, not who else? Uh, look, Olet's up. She's saying you're not her sister. Look, no. I think she got kidnapped. She probably eating so much donuts, so somebody kidnapped her. Now, if she's here, she's really here, she probably gonna respond. That's why I said that. Yeah, I think once hmm? On 15. Okay. Oh, you're asking. No, wait for it because the hourly is also about to close. 30 and hourly is about to close. Maybe on the flip of the hourly or 30. Yes. If you're this is your new entry, then I would say take your first entry. But if you're already in, don't mess up your entry yet. Okay. It can still drop though, but if you're already in, you don't have to worry about anything. If you, yeah, if you're in, then don't worry. Don't pump it up, push it down. And it have clean range on the left, which is around like, yeah, 100 ticks more. Yeah, eventually, yes. 15 is flipping, 30 and hourly closure also coming though. Yeah, because if you take the entry again, your price average is going to be above this 15. By the way, guys, these trades are taken on the bot. The bot is taking these trades. I'm just telling you. Spark is basically controlling that bot, and the bot is taking those trades. Yeah. You are our bot, Kitty. You are the bot. You so Spark, you know what we should do? We should okay, no, no, Kitty, don't worry, it's not on you. So we should make a copy trader, but act like as a bot, and whoever get that subscription form, we're gonna basically add everybody in copy trading in our server, and whatever trades we're gonna take instead of bot, we're basically taking the trades, but we're gonna tell people this is the bot doing, right? This way. Yeah, yeah. But not pro funds, personal capital. No, personal capital. What? Thinking about what? Yeah, so this time when the 4 hour flip, it means the daily is also flipping. So yeah, you're absolutely right, my friend. Mm. Yeah, daily is about to flip. Yeah. How many of you are still in this trade? Hmm? Yeah. Enjoy your runner though. 150 ticks. So far, guys, since I come back, like I only missed one session, one Asian session, right? So this week, all week, there we are on the winning streak. We have no losing trade while we're taking trades. We only take 1 or 2 trades per session, and those trades are paying. So far, no loss for this week. That's the accuracy I want for you guys. Okay. And how you will do it, just get Sparks bot. That's it. Yeah. We're doing this here for free. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Mm. Yeah, back testing. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Serious shows. Yeah. Yeah. I think I heard. Yeah, I heard of that. Yeah. There is this the US based company, right? Bec- Yeah. 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 And I. Hmm. Yeah. Hmm. Yeah. And what platform we need to use to trade on that board? Is it just the Ninja Trader or can we use on any other? Because what, yeah, you need to research that as well, because what I see most of the boards, they only work on the Ninja Trader, not other platforms, not on TradingView, not on Trade08, not Project X, not Trade C, only Ninja Trader. Yeah. Yep. So Yep, absolutely. Kitty, me too. But, but it was long time ago. No, yeah, no, there, no, it's C plus plus. It's like I did my from Pakistan, so they have the different subjects in that. But yeah, yeah. No, I think it's going to be the personal account because yes, Spark is right. If copy trading happening and all that, so if let's say everybody have the same bot and it's taking the same trades on like similar accounts over and over again, then they have some issue. Even though they're trading with a different IP address or different states, but still. Mhm. Mm. Yeah, this is the nine Tokyo Open candle. Now, if this candle push down, this candle flip, then it's going to be another nice drop, which is most likely because the hourly is basically creating that top wick, and once this hourly flip, it's going to give us a nice trade there on the flip of that. Mm. Yeah, on the flip of this hourly, full pot. Yeah, it's bot is saying us, bot is telling us, not us, right? Anybody from the chat, guys, you want to give us any idea or no? Mr. Mm-hmm. Yeah, always. Reversal. Yeah. Uh, Saflal, are you on the chat right now? Mr. Saflal, Saflal or Saflal, are you here in the chat? Yes, Park, you're right about that strategy that okay, the price down and then boom, a big push up. But if you try to take every single trade, like let's say if you like right now, we are very, very accurate about okay, what we're looking for. We're looking for that sells and we're looking for once this daily flip. But if you try to take this buys, then it's also gonna mess up your next entry, you know? Mhm. Mr. Saflal, are you here? That guy sent me really emotional message. So I wanna talk to him and see what's his issue. Few weeks. I think he started learning right now. He's like, okay, I'm going to learn right now. Yeah, no, you're a smart guy. You'll learn in maybe, yeah, 3 weeks, 2 weeks, because you have the basic understanding about that, right? So it won't take you long. Ooh. Hourly never flip and it just keep continue pushing it. Yeah, if it starts breaking this previous hourly highs or like this 15 or 30 gives a closure above that zone, then we have some problem. Then there's no more shorts, then there's only pajamas. Right now, yes, for sure. But it looks like it's just grabbing that liquidity sweep. What so in ICT concept, what you call this? AMF? Okay. Okay. I thought it is. It's not connected. Ah, yeah. What it said. Yeah. Whenever anybody like message you like that, how is your trading going? It's mean it's fake, guys. If it's coming from Drugger Trader, it's coming from me, it's coming from Kitty, it's coming from Spark, anybody here, it's yeah, it's fake. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Mm-hmm. Yeah. So you didn't book when the price dropped like what 150 ticks? You didn't take anything out of the previous one? Yeah, if you take your partial, then what's the problem, right? Then no worries. Hmm. So now, guys, we need to see here how the price gives us reaction, right? If it starts, let's say, breaking these highs, then we need to come with different scenario. If it stays, let's say, if it touch it and then starts pushing down, most likely it's gonna give us the same entry, and then we're gonna look for more sells from that point. Okay, that's my side gig. Yeah, messaging people from different account. How is your trading going on, sir? You want to learn? Yeah, this is my payment ID. Okay, payment sent, block. Yes, yeah, exactly, exactly. Yeah, but Kitty, we have so many smart people here on the TikTok, so they think little different. They're smartest kids in the world. So Yeah, guys, don't forget to share the live. Okay. Okay. What's up, side gig? Hey, how are you, bhai? कैसे हो? Good? Oh yeah, okay. Yeah. So he's messaging you on your main account or like on a different account? Okay, okay, yeah. Because he probably very dumb. Like if he's talking to you on your main account. Yeah, okay. Yeah. Mm. Okay. Okay. How was it? Yeah. It gap up though. From where? From 29 580s? Mm. 486. Okay. All right, right here. Mm. Okay. So what time frame you use usually? 5 minutes? Yeah, I think NQ runs best on 1 and 5 minutes though. Yeah. Mhm. Yeah, no, it was very easy move though. Like if you see as soon as the it's open, it gives a push up. It comes down for this gap fill and it's dropping clean range on the left. Yeah. Yeah. Four. Okay. Yeah, 427 right here. Yeah. Few points. Yeah. Okay. Alright. How's your boat doing? Why not making much? Mhm. Yeah, Spark, do you have any questions about the bot? Trucker Trader, he have his own bot as well. He's, okay. Yeah, but that's tough thing, right? People don't want to waste their time on learning. It's Yeah.
That it's hard to establish proper parameters for
The
bots.
the thing is, Mrs. Spark, is like up to the developer, because in our bot we don't use any indicator at all.
What do you use?
I coded my own strategy. Like whatever I use in the manual trading, we use same in the bot.
Oh, so you don't use the indicator at all? Okay.
No, uh,
So
just
what
the
format?
BWAPs, just the BWAP in the manual trading, cause that's for just be cautious, not for taking the trades. We
Oh, okay.
never ever use any indicator in the trading.
Oh, okay.
So that's what I'm trying to write it down. I get a like night classes from a Harvard for C++ and Python. I graduated from there.
Python.
Uh, yeah,
So
Python and
what
C++.
coding? What coding format did you use? Did you use Python, Linux, Windows? Which one?
The it's just a basic course. It's not a
Oh,
much most of the things I have a partner. He have a degree in the all the coding and everything. So I just give him a raw thoughts, and he turned into the because we built our own copier, like it's compatible with NinjaTrader. We in house we coded everything, like the you see affordable indicator and the replicanto. We have a better version of that. So yeah, like the guy who's doing the all the coding, he don't know anything about, he never interested in the trading, he just all about the coding, all about the computers.
I like that.
Yeah.
I would love to see the code that he used, but I know that's kind of hey. I
Yeah,
know.
no, no, we're not gonna share that.
No, seriously, I would love
That's
to see the
that's
code that
our
he
bread
used.
and butter. But yeah, there's a clues. Like all things, whatever in the market, like whatever is the public available file, we can see through anything. Doesn't matter how hard the security is, and all the bot expect our ones like the doesn't matter how, like the shark indicators is like a 2,500 or $5,000 a pack for the shark indicators, and off market you can get it for like $100 or $150. So everything is available, you just have to look in the right direction, that's all. Oh, these days chat gpt is the better thing if you know what you are looking for. That's the best advisor, give you all the codes and everything.
So you said that your bot doesn't use an indicator, but all an indicator is it's just, you know, inputs and outputs, right? So there
Yeah,
must be inputs and
indicator
outputs.
is gonna be when the
Like
price
you
gonna
might not see it
be there.
live, but
Yeah,
you would still have,
yeah.
you would think.
No, it's totally based on whatever we do in the manual. Mm.
Mm.
And next thing, I don't like personally. If you are eager to learn the training, the bots are not for you. It's for the people who have another job, like they're a doctor, they're lawyers or something. They're gonna be it doesn't matter. It's make a profit or a break even, whatever. Just gonna keep it running as a side gig. It's for them. The bot not gonna be making money as a human being. So because nobody else, whoever gonna come to sell you, they're not gonna tell you these things. Because as a company, we try almost every of them in the market, and we know the logic behind it, how they works, how the things work. Especially, don't trust what whoever using the Ninja Ranko bars, like the Ranko bars, the price based one. Never ever trust them.
Hmm. We haven't broken that top 15.
Yeah, I think it's
We
gonna
we seem we seem to be rejecting off it,
yeah reject and then boom.
and the 15's gone bearish. Hmm.
The same thing. Yeah, this the first entry we take on this 15. I think the same entry we might get
I
here.
think I'm confident to take this. And the reason that I'm confident to take this, even though the hourly is bullish, is that my 2 hour is still bearish. Right? If this holds on this 15, it might be a very risky but very early entry. So no confirmation, but interesting. Have you tried the 2 hour AFX? Have you tried to use it?
No,
Oh man,
no.
I think you might find that it's a very interesting.
Hey, Kitty, let's like code the AFX strategy and automation, and we're gonna sell that.
That's our low key plan though. Target
Wait,
trade.
what did you say? Sorry.
Just automated AFX flip strategy. Burger. We're gonna name it burger flip.
Yes, that is a perfect name because that's all he talks about: flipping burgers.
Yeah, there's a people like crazy to buy. Like they don't know shit about anything. You just wanna buy the fancy things. That's all.
Mm-hmm.
Brother, people are too lazy to learn.
Yeah.
They
No.
just want free money.
Yeah. I don't think so. It's hard. Like people make it hard. Say if you're running to the ICT, yeah, you're gonna be like, I need a problems in my life, so. He's
Look,
laughing. He's laughing.
I think yeah, I think people will try and take the easiest way out, but it's look, trading is
Yeah.
hard. It's not simple. Even though the chart only goes up and down, there are too many background variables.
Yeah.
And the key thing here is that people lack patience. I think most people would be profitable if they just looked at zones where it's rejecting, where it's
Uh-huh.
could potentially, come down. But people like to take early entries and front run the market, and that's how
Yeah.
they get wrecked.
That's a problem. Like I think most 55% people in the trading, they know the strategy. They know it works, but they
Mm,
don't want to wait for it.
yeah, they don't want the confirmation
They don't
because
want
they
to wait
think.
for it. They just whenever the setup come, they already blew the account
Mm,
or hit the daily loss limit.
Yep,
mm.
that's
But when your setup comes, you wait to confirm that the setup is correct prior.
Yeah.
Like right now, this is what I'm doing. Like I'm doing a stupid trade right now. I'm not
Mhm.
waiting for the flip. I'm like, yep, we've reached the we're rejecting off the top 15 minute. This is not a valid
Yeah.
flip. This is me being impatient,
Yeah.
right? This is a very high chance for me to lose on this one because I am being impatient. But I recognize what I'm doing.
Yeah.
But if you don't have risk management in this, and a lot of people don't know proper risk management, then that's
Uh,
how they're going to blow their account.
yeah, no, we went there. Like I'm not talking about like anything from the books or and anybody else experience. I've been there. I
Yeah,
used to do that things.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
If I look back, when I like almost 2.5 year when I'm unprofitable, that days like I'm chasing the profit for like $1,000 per account, like $2,000 per account. If
Mm.
I make like a $200 a day from the starting, so I don't have to be look for anything else. Like simple and stupid things works, but to realize that you need experience. or at least anyone have a experience. You need the kind of people in your circle or in life. So
I think you need two things, right? I think you need to lose so much that it becomes too painful before you learn. Okay. Or, or if you're someone like me who blew a or you could be someone like me who learns very quickly within the space of 6 months because you blew 300K, right? So one of them is going to be is going to be your biggest pain point and then teach you very quickly.
yeah.
Yeah.
No, Mrs. Sparks, I'm really strict with the whoever joined my like classes in my Discord. So I already told them I don't want your money. If you wanna come in the circle, you have to uh, be in the system. If you are like still having the habits like you have before, if you are profitable, you know how to trade, you're not gonna come to me. If you come to me, just listen to me.
Mm.
If the thing's not working, I'm gonna admit in front of you. If my system is not working, I'm gonna say it's not working. It's gonna be this time is a SL or a, so I can make excuses because everybody have a same system on their charts. But some people don't want to follow like, or they don't want to do the risk management.
Mm.
Okay, I got the money. If you are not gonna share your progress with me, so yeah, it's up to you.
You only have one requirement in your group, huh? You
Sorry.
must speak. I said the only requirement in your group is you must speak the language.
Yeah, the Punjabi, because uh, I like I think that I can't explain my things better in the English. So, mm, 'cause my background is Punjabi, and I
Yeah.
don't have I don't go to the school here. Except you can say I'm a graduate from Harvard, but I didn't go to the school here, so I'm not fluent in English. So that's why I prefer. That's my comfort zone. I can explain things better in my own way. Wajid bhai, full ਭੇਜੀ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਹੋ. Oh. So before that, I also like everybody else running to one course to another course, and just hoping this one gonna work, this one gonna work,
Yeah.
until one day we find our own thing. And first first 6 month, I know there's a setup according to me, and it took me 6 months to uh, trust in my own setup. Wait for confirmation and the flip.
Mm. Do you trade the flip as well?
No, we have a different system, but as a trader, I know like I like a strategy too. Like the things are simple. The simple things works better. That's what.
Can you give me like a really, really brief breakdown on what you do? Or is it complicated?
We mark a specific candle in every session, and just we have our own fib levels. We mark on
Okay.
that. That's all. Mm, that's all we do.
Do you use FVG?
No,
No.
Winter.
no FEG, no liquidity sweeps. And I don't know even know the names of the things they do. Equilibrium. What is that? I never pronounce that thing.
Imbalance, imbalance.
Uh, no, we don't use that.
Mm.
In the starting, I use FEG to hold my trade.
Mm.
In 1 minute, I draw FEGs 1 minute FEGs to hold my trade, not for taking the trade. But after that, I just भाईजान गिव भी कर लो.
He is focused.
The cells are still possible, but we need to see the volume right now. So if the volume is dry up, then it's gonna take some time. Hey Winter, what's up? How you doing? You gonna now we
एक गल ना भी करियो ते वाजिद भाई ਨੂੰ ਪੱਕਾ ਯਕੀਨ ਆ ਵੀ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦਾ ਨਿਕਲਣਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈਗਾ ਕਦੇ.
Alright, how many of you chat? How many of you want to do the giveaway right now? Let's see.
Sure.
There's no volume. Let's do it.
I thought Nvidia gonna like do some action and when the earning announced, but there's nothing.
I mean, like on the open, it do gap up though.
Yeah, the Nasdaq, yep, on the openness too.
It touched the gap and it's now starting to go up.
Yeah,
That is interesting.
nice. Leave us from like almost our we're gonna be doing the long from I think 20
Trucker, I never see you live.
26. I'm busy with the Discord peoples all the time, so I just
Oh, okay.
yeah, because I just want them whoever come to the Discord, like I just want them to be succeed. So
Yeah.
I just spend more time with them. So I don't care about anybody else gonna join me or not. Like, yeah, I don't care.
So you do live on the Discord or what?
Yeah, like on the voice call, like after the trading, just go to the voice call, and if anybody have a question, anybody have a difficulties in the session trading, how they feel, like whatever they make, how they take a trade, so that kind of problems.
Okay, so we've broken above the 15.
Yeah.
If we get a closure here, we are bullish.
Yeah, at that point, yes. Still need 5 minutes, right? If in next 5 minutes it just reject, create the top wick and
Yeah.
close back in the range below this, then the cells are still valid. But if the price gives a closure above, then cells are good at that point.
ਭਾਈ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਬੰਦੇ ਪੀਐਨਐਲ ਕਿਉਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਪਾਉਂਦੇ?
ਸ਼ਰਮਾਂਦੇ ਨੇ
ਸ਼ਰਮਾਉਂਦੇ ਨੇ?
ਸ਼ਰਮਾਂਦੇ
ਨਹੀਂ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਕਿ ਮੈਂ ਟ੍ਰੇਡ ਨਹੀਂ ਦੇਣੀ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ.
ਮੇਰੇ ਨਾਲ ਬੈ ਕੇ ਟ੍ਰੇਡ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਨੇ ਫਿਰ ਵੀ ਸ਼ਰਮਾਂਦੇ ਨੇ.
Guys, share the PNL in the group. Why you guys are not sharing it?
ਝਾਕਦੇ ਨੇ.
Yeah, go check my Discord. Everybody sharing the PNL. So it's mandatory. Or your people don't wanna the new members join you, so that's why they're not sharing. Yeah. In my group, Wajid is the only one. He don't want anybody to join. Oh, that's a good thing. Like, we are not unscured from each other. Like, I know my all the guys gonna be here. Like, and you're all the all the guys in the giveaway. They gonna be there, but it's not gonna like that. We gonna list any other anyone's. Not from even other groups. Like if someone come to me, I have a like a membership over there. I said go talk to your mentor. If your mentor is making money, ask him what I'm doing wrong. You already paid him, so Just ask him once. Maybe there is some little problem you can solve talking to him. Why you shy? Yeah, if you still wanna pay me, then I don't have a problem taking your money.
Can you please tell TBD as well?
I'm gonna join his course.
No, you're not. No way.
You know he unfollowed me?
Really?
Screw him.
Yeah, I didn't even say anything to. I was like, okay, like but he unfollowed me. I was like, okay, like hey, dude.
Yeah.
You know,
I don't know.
yeah.
AFX.
If I, if
Sorry, guys.
mhm.
Can I just interrupt really quickly? So, just because I've got a question before we lose it. So we close above this zone, and then our next target is going to be the 4730. Correct? That zone there.
On the 4 hour, what
Yeah.
time frame you're looking at? Yeah, 4 hour.
So have a look at the 4 hour.
Yeah, 4730s.
4730, 4755.
4720s. Like above that, like I would say the more secure is 4715.
4715.
Mm-hmm.
I
That's
don't
still
see why.
that's still like around 300 ticks out from there, because above that, above 4715, it's wicks.
Yes, that's
Are you
true.
yeah, are you on the MGC chart?
Yeah, I'm on the MGC chart.
Yeah.
Yeah, I can see the wicks. I understand that. Okay.
Yeah, so that's the reason.
All right. So you're looking at like the bottom of that doji candle.
Mm-hmm. So
Mm,
if you
okay.
see on the 4715, these candles right here,
Mm-hmm.
because above there it's wicks.
Okay. But otherwise, we're just waiting for the liquidity sweep.
Yeah, but yeah, okay. The 15 is looks like it's gonna close back in the range. The cells looks like still valid.
Mm.
This is the F candle. So right now it's AM, like F is happening. Once it's done, I think we can still have potential for the price to drop the way it's pushing. Let's see. Yeah, whenever you have confusion, just open 5-minute chart. You'll be fine at that point. For a 15, it looks like, yeah, maybe on the, okay, it's flipping. So now this is a rejection from top. This is another indication for the price to push. Quantum is making rockets. Quantum, why you think it's pushing up? No rockets. Send some shorts. 30 have no lower wick. Hourly and 4 hour is about to close in 15 minutes. Okay, and we've seen this previously as well, that one 4 hour candle close bullish and the next one side by side it literally close bearish and break those lows. Okay. Okay, 15 gives a closure back in this range. It didn't give a closure above. We can still expect those sells. Okay. Okay, let's do the giveaway on the request to Mr. Trigger Trader. So let's do this. So this is going to be for the freeloaders. Okay. Apex. Let's do first Lucid. If we have time, then we can do the Apex. What do you think? Yeah. नहीं तो बाजित भाई गुस्सा ना कर जाए, वरना तो फिर भी नहीं आ रहा. Yeah, guys, one galaxy, please. All right. Last match was rigged. Let's say this one. Let's say this match now. So okay. Mm, all right. So Kitty, how should we add people like there for Hurt Me on the Hurt Me or from TikTok? Mm, 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 mm. It looks like it's pushing up. We're gonna give this enclosure above the 4 and hourly. So जी ट्रैकर भाजी तुसी किस तरह एंट्री करते हो गिव में? Okay, so entry on the share. How many shares? One share per person. Hmm, okay. Yeah. Yeah. All right, guys. So we're gonna end add the names in the entry for sharing. Okay. So whoever gonna share the live is gonna get the entry on this giveaway. All right. Hawk mode. Jojo. Mojo Jojo. All adds up. All adds up. Marvel. Tahir. Sandy Bhai. Sniper. Grandmaster. Jen. All right. All right. Tom. Yes. G. Ryder. Mark. Grandmaster. Yeah, you're already in. Yep. Pavan Garibal. Yeah, like the ਤੁਹਾਡੇ group ਤੋਂ ਹੀ ਆਏ ਨੇ Pavan Dyna over FX killer. यार killer boy. अनमोल संधू भाई ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਕਦੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਨਿਕਲਣਾ ਸੰਧੂ ਭਾਜੀ ਹਮੇਸ਼ਾ ਆਉਂਦੇ ਨੇ ਨਿਕਲਦਾ ਕੁਝ ਵੀ ਨਹੀਂ you need to share guys you need to share the live to have your name in this giveaway okay you need to share the live to participate in this giveaway okay yeah Amir, you need to share the live. You need to share the live to participate in this giveaway. Whoever wanna name in this giveaway, you need to share the live. अच्छा, Angie, Nambi, share the live. All right, Mr. Cuckoo, I shared Cuckoo. Shah Rukh Khan, trading solution. All right, awesomeness. All right, Apilio and Nambi, you need to share it. I shared Rizwan, I didn't say it. Share again. People who are sharing, I'm adding them. Usha Ramikuson, you're already in. Yeah, a billion. Just dream. Nambi, you need to share the live. You know, when you share this live to anybody, so far Sniper is at the top. He's sharing. Good. Mm. 4 hour closure is coming. And it's breaking this previous 4 hours as well, this one. So yes, the sellers are gone at this point. AFX, hey Nimuri, what's up? Hey Nimuri, you need to share the live to be named in this giveaway. All right, Grandmaster is also getting up for the shares. It's a tussle between Grandmaster and Sniper. Mm. Sniper versus Grandmaster. Kakjeet. Nimur is like, I'm also here, man. I'm also gonna participate in this. Share this live. All right. So far we have 34 entries. So trucker trader, how we do it? Like we whoever name show up, we give them 10 seconds to message. If they don't message in the 10 seconds, we spin again. No, we do last man standing when we do for the VIPs, because then we have less entries and it's easier and it's more fun. But there are so many random people on this wheel, so we don't do the last man. We usually do the first man, but we give like 10 seconds. If 10 seconds you're active, you message in the Discord, you're probably gonna get it. Otherwise, we're gonna spin again. Did you get Reese? Yes, Kitty. Reese is here. Yeah, yeah. And then on the VIP spin, then we also have the wild entry. That's me. I usually add myself in the when there's 3 or 5 people left. Then I have better chance to win. GC flies, yeah. GC is flying though, yeah. 2 more minutes this for this 4 hour closure though. Yeah. Twice? What twice, Kitty? We have Reese here. Mm, mm. Mm. कोई नहीं, जिन्हें आना है उन्हें आ जाने भैया तेरी जितना दिल करता है आज को ओके ओके को पायलट में ऐड कर लेने भाई जान छुड़ाने वाले काम है दविंदर दविंदर सिंह alright bye okay ओ पाजी स्क्रीन टूट जाएगी ना करो टूट जाएगी yeah uh, yeah yeah alright Yeah, but Spark, when it comes to the explanation, then it's going to be tough, you know. Hmm. Okay. So Spark, should we do the 10-second time or 5? Because we're doing this on the TikTok. 10 seconds is more than enough. No, it's on the share of the TikTok. That's why. Mm, mm, yeah. 7 seconds. 10 is still a lot. These people, they are very sneaky. I'm telling you, they're very active. They can just message. So guys, you need to message in the Discord. Okay. I know most of you are already in the Discord, people who share and who have these entries. So you're gonna have 7 seconds to message in the Discord to get this giveaway. Yes, everybody message in the chat yes if you understand that. Then we're gonna start spinning it. Okay, yes, yes, yes. All right. All right, you guys get it. All right, so yeah, you have 7 seconds for this. Yeah, yeah, she's here. Dinah is here. Dinah, she's here. Are you trying to copy Jay? I don't know. He, yeah, he's cool. All right, guys. 7 seconds. You know the deal. Message. You need to message in the Discord that you're alive. Okay. If you didn't message in the 7 seconds, then Kitty 7 or 5 seconds. That's the point. That's the point. They need to open the Discord as well. They need to open the Discord, and as soon as their name show up, they're gonna exit it. Then other. Look, load up saying 5 seconds. No, it's not delayed. Like we're talking in real time. The no, how much? Maybe once. I don't think so because it's real time. It's like FaceTime. No. I don't think TikTok have any delay at all. 5 seconds. Okay, 5 seconds. Okay. You guys have 5 seconds to message in the Discord. So make sure you have the app open on your other phone or maybe at the same phone. Okay, let's see. And Kitty, you're gonna see these people, they're gonna still message in the Discord. All right. Because it takes also a few seconds for me to change. All right, Mr. Half Evil. Half Evil, you have 5 seconds to message. Half Evil. Three, two, one. No message. I don't think he's even in the Discord. I never seen him. Mr. Evil. He's not here. All right. People who are here, they're probably gonna message. All right. Who's next? Awesomeness. Anmol Sandhu. Anmol Sandhu. 5 seconds. Anmol. Anmol Sandhu. 5 seconds. No, he didn't message. He did not message. Sandhu Sandhu sab truck rock. All right. You think 5 seconds are allowed? Should we do 7? I think 5 is. I'm half able. Hi, Hey, Pablo, man. You're late, man. You're late. You're late. Don't worry, Pablo. We're going to do for the VIP later. Maybe tomorrow. Maybe. All right, next. All right. Jean is ready. All right. Who's next? G Rider or Tahir? Tahir. Tahir, you have 5 seconds to message in the Discord. No, it's Tahir, not you, G Rider. It's Tahir. All right, your time's up. Tahir, your time's up. See, G Rider, he messaged right on the time. So people, AP Leo or Pavan Garewal. Logi Garewal by 5 seconds. Pavan Garewal, time's up. Guys, why are you messaging in the TikTok chat? You need to message in the Discord. That's the whole point. That's the whole point. Why are you messaging in the TikTok? You need to message in the Discord. Okay. Which Discord? Grandmaster. Ah. All right, let me do the 7 seconds. I think 5 you are struggling. 7 seconds is okay. Fine. Make it 2 seconds. Load up. No, even 5 seconds are enough, but it's okay. This is your first time, so awesomeness or Reese. Reese. All right. I Reese, you have 7 seconds. See, he messaged right just like that. People who needs to they message like that in literally 2 seconds. In 2 seconds. Reese, finally. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Congrats. चलो हम सारे छुट्टी करो. Who sent this? Oh, Kitty. Big for Forest. Have a good day, Grandmaster. Take care. Yeah, tomorrow we're gonna do for the VIPs. Mm. It's the price is stuck now. There, I think the move for the session is already done. Okay. Mm. Mm-hmm. On the weekly? Oh, 15, okay. Yeah, Reese, it's 25. So what you want to do? You want to keep it or you want to respin it? No, he said he's gonna respin. Yeah, see, he's saying it in the message. It says, "I want to give away this account. You can respin again." Yeah, but Reese is saying he's gonna do this account to give away another one. Yeah, this is the last one I have for this week. And one with big capstones, like I want it, man. Really, you already makes funny with them. Okay, first of all, Spark. What is this? What are you in the team of Pride now? Okay, so what I am looking here? Mhm. This is okay. This is the 4 hour you sent me. 15 minute. Okay, 15. Yeah, I'm on the 15. Yep. Okay. Mm. Mm. Okay. So yeah. No, I mean, before that, I also okay. So you do upside down. All right, like this. Mm. Okay. Y- So okay. Mm-hmm. Yeah. But if you know how to mark the zones, do you really need whips? Yeah, it is. Now, what's that? Is it okay? So on the other side, like this. So this one, for example, this right now, this 15, right? So should I start my fib from here? That's what you're saying, and expand towards upside. Hmm. Okay. So you adjusted your numbers in that, your zones. Okay. All right. Okay. Okay. I know. See. Yeah. 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 Nothing is free, guys. Trust me, Drug Trader. I try to teach for 2 years for free. 2 years. And you have no idea how many toxic people I get in that community. People don't care. Like they just waste your time. So I was like, okay, then if you want to learn, like you can either learn here for free or yeah, exactly. So yeah, Spark, what do you think is gonna draw from here? It's gonna range or push up. Mm. Yeah, the volume is dry now. It's probably gonna maybe range a while for next few hours, and then the next move is going to be Spark's favorite session, which is London session. That works very well for him. So so yeah. So tracker trader, you only trade NY session or you trade like any other session? New York session. Okay. All right. So chat, anybody from the chat, if you understand Punjabi, there's a new batch is going to next month, right? On the 5th of the next month, he gives what a full coaching on NQ. So if you want to learn, if you understand Punjabi, you should join his next batch, which is going to start next month. Good night all right, हाँ बंदे बना के तोड़ांगे yes ਮਾਰਕੀਟ ਨੇ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਖੋਤਾ ਬਣਾ ਕੇ ਭੇਜਿਆ ਸੀ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਬੰਦੇ ਬਣ ਕੇ ਜਾਓਗੇ ਜੇ ਫੇਰ ਵੀ ਨਾ ਬਣੇ ਤੇ ਫਿਰ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਕੋਈ ਹੱਲ ਨਹੀਂ yeah price literally push up around what like 200 250 ticks from here where it first dropped. So let's see. I think it might gonna reject from here though. A small rejection though. Yeah, let's see if this 5 close bearish below the zone again. Maybe. Who knows? If it's again starts breaking those highs, then we're done. So Trucker Trader, how many classes you give in that batch? Like how it works? You wanna explain a little bit? Okay. How long? Hmm. Okay. So what's included in that class? Like what you teach about the strategy, about psychology, like okay. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Yeah. Definitely, definitely, man. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. No, but what's your module like? What you talk about mainly? Like how you do. Okay. Mm, mm, okay. Yeah, for sure. Where are you? Are you outside? Yeah, it's. I think it's windy there. It's very windy. Okay, now it's better. The sound is better now. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yes, I just look at the flips. That's it. Okay, but you trade with the physics, right? Right. Okay. Exactly. Hmm. Exactly. That's how we mark our zones, looking at those patterns. Mm. Yeah, cool. So you have any questions or we just here to learn? Good night. Hey, Kitty, take care. Good night. No, he's here. I think he's mute or what. No, but so many also like Desi people in my chat though, so they understand. Yeah, yeah. Of course, his spark. What kind of question is this? Of course. Yeah, we use fair value gaps here and sometimes AMD, accumulation, manipulation, and some fucking of candles as well. So, Mr. Trading, whatever you do you okay? So we use two ports and three indicators on the chart to give us the confirmation for taking those trades. Yeah, yeah. We use also add some SMC concepts as well in the charts. And you see here in the call, Trucker Trader and Spark, so they have both their own boards and indicators. So we also do that. Add that in our yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, most of the time our board trade for us. We don't really take the entries, so we just watch, observe how it's working. So most of the time, whenever you see we're in the trade, it's basically the board is doing all the work. Yeah, it is. Mm, cool. So how long have you been trading? Okay. Mm-hmm. So for what indicator? Hmm, yeah.
Stuff, but you use RSI and then you look at the 30 minute. And when it goes to 85, you can do a quick short. If it goes to 15, you could do a quick buy. But you want to have SL, below that level. So you want to be sized in the right amount. But here's the thing, it always does a squeeze still to that same direction. It's going to hit, you know, it's going to look like it's lower on RSI. Let's say
Yeah.
to the downside, it's going to show you 30 on the 30 minute, and then it's going to actually be lower on the chart and it's going to push back up. And that's exactly the move that you saw today at 88. And
So
if
what?
you back test that, happens every time. It's a
So what
pattern.
you're saying, yeah. So what you're saying, I know what you're talking about. I've seen that before. What you're saying is once your RSI reaches equilibrium, you have a squeeze back up, pretty much taking out all these sellers, and then a continuation to the downside.
Exactly. And then it looks like it's not the right moment to sell because everyone's going to be in fear. They're going to be like, oh, it's going to go up higher again. And that's when it does the
Yeah,
main move. And it happens
yeah,
like that every time.
yeah, yeah. I
It's
know.
just how they control the fear of the market. It's the
Mm,
pattern.
yeah, I've seen it before.
So that kind of strategy there, I know this other trader, he's using on a Nasdaq. He called it 80/20,
Mm,
and it works. Like as a trader, I know that that thing is works. Oh, that things work, but the thing is, you work with the things. That's the main thing.
A lot of
Yeah, with
people
that
don't want to
strategy,
work with the things.
my first big 2 weeks, I turned 300 into 20,000.
That's
Dude,
cool, man.
not
You
bad.
have to be like sleeping on your bed, and did you lose that, or you are just keep piling up?
Nah, I kept balling. I kept snowballing.
That's
Oh,
cool, man. I think you're supposed to be on a YouTube or somewhere else. So I don't think so. These lives are for like for us who wanna sell something, sell the courses or anything.
Yeah, I don't sell anything. I just told you
no.
guys that so maybe it helps you.
Yeah, no, you should.
No, I sell everything. I sell copier. I sell courses, everything. So make money. Why not?
Ah, the thing with your strategy is that it works on every time frame.
Exactly. It's the pattern.
It just
Yeah.
depends on what's it called? On how big that squeeze back up is going to be, and that's the unknown variable, right?
That's why you'd have to look for, you'd have to back test it and find which time frame it works on the most. And I told you which one works the most. And that's when you'll see really big profits compared to very small losses, which is exactly what you need in the market to succeed.
So can I ask you? You turned 300 into 20,000.
Yep.
How long ago was that?
That was when Biden was still president and around November to December.
So now you're like a multi-billionaire.
No, but I did make 60,000 this week.
Oh, okay. But why hasn't it been consistent? What's the problem?
No, it is consistent. I'll take a trade here and there, and then I like to do other things. I don't like to,
Ah,
look at it all the time. Like, I got a really good sell. If you look at it, this last sell that hit that exact thing at the very high point, literally where it changed direction. And then in the morning, I woke up late and it hit 88, and my move passed. So I'm not going to enter late based on the strategy, even though I know it works. Because when you enter late is when you could see those losses that you don't want to see. You have to be right on the money.
yeah. But sometimes when you hit that 50%, you can get an extended move reversal, and before you take off. Have you traded that before?
The 50% mark, no, I don't enter unless it's part of that strategy.
Mm. So go back test this, right? So if it gets to the 50%, but then reverses back and comes back into your 20, you know that the next move back up is going to be a really, really strong push up. It's kind of like it builds fuel.
Yeah, give me 1 second, my bad.
Hey Sparks, who win the giveaway? I missed that part.
Yeah, there was what's his name? I think it was Reese. Reese,
Oh,
yeah,
okay. Alright, okay.
responsible Reese.
Yeah, that's good.
He's good. He's been having some good luck lately. This guy. It's good on him.
Yeah.
So you're saying like you're worried about the reversal into that area. Well, the thing is, if you catch that drop, right, the
No,
initial drop, if you put your stop loss into profit or break even, then what do you have to lose? You have nothing to lose. So if it actually is the real
no,
move, then you
no.
profit. And
That's
if
not
it's
correct.
not, then it goes back, you know, to that same strategy but higher up or lower down,
Yeah. Boss,
depending
that's
on
not what
which
I said.
strike.
That's not what I said. What I was saying was that sometimes, right, what will happen is it'll come to your 50% zone, and then you'll be expecting the pullback and the continuation. But sometimes that pullback will go a lot deeper than you expect. So it'll break the lows of where the origin point was. Okay? Do you know what I'm saying?
You're saying 50% as in like 50 RSI is what you're saying
Yeah,
with
yeah, yeah, yeah. Your 50 RSI,
So
right?
you're saying if it hits 50 yeah, 50 is that's
Like
definitely,
it doesn't.
we're going to see the
Yeah,
most
yeah.
action.
Okay, okay. Just listen to me for 2 seconds, right? So you're gonna get your 50 RSI. You're gonna get your reversal. reversal and then a continuation, correct?
It depends. Yeah, you're right.
Okay, great. So what I'm saying to you is that that 50 zone or close to the 50 zone sometimes fails. Okay.
Yeah, but the strategy doesn't use the 50 zone. Like that. I'd say the middle, like 50, even like 40, and above that,
We're not
60.
we're not talking in an exact terms. I know. That's okay. All right.
It's all like up for chance. You have to take the
No, I
trade at
know.
the
I
right
know.
moment, and then that's when you have your stop loss and profit or break even. That's the only way you can do it. Because that's the noise. You don't know what's going to happen there, but you know what's going to happen at that pattern position. Like I used to always try to reverse the 50 and like do stuff like that, but I'd say that's straight gambling because you're right. It's when it becomes like a 50% chance.
Oh, hey, Apex, you back?
Yes, sir. I'm back.
Give them some trades. They all are just staring at the sky.
Full port longs.
Yes, Park. So, what you think about Mr. Trading? What's his name? Trading
Physics.
physics. Yeah, about his
He's
strategy.
got a legit strategy.
Mm.
And that's really interesting. I didn't even know it was a strategy. I've just noticed that it happens, and I've been,
Yeah, it's because I created the strategy. I figured out the pattern.
brother.
All the
I figured out the
strategy.
pattern as well. Like, relax,
I
like,
mean,
relax, man.
How old are you? How old are you?
I'm 24 and I started trading when I was 18.
Okay.
Yeah. So I look for entries at that zone if I'm going to take a um, entry or flip on that zone. Then I'm always wary of it. I'm always as well just wary of, yeah. So I know what he's talking about. That's why I recognized what he was talking about. That's why I entertained him, because I know what he's talking about. He's not the creator, but he's recognized the pattern.
No, Spark. He's great. He's
Give him some credit, so
Sorry, bro.
that'll do.
physics, Mr. Physics. You're a creator. Oh. What's the name of the strategy again?
But you know what? Well done for him for actually
Just
recognizing it.
figuring out the pressure.
Figuring out the pressure.
Yeah, it's basically what the strategy consists of.
Oh,
You
And one West
you wanna
119th place.
you wanna give us your strategy so we can implement on the our bot and check it out.
I mean, I kind of already told you guys, like I said, since I don't really want to speak on it too much because that it works like literally every time to where that is something that old money would want to patch. So you kind of got to be careful.
Mm, okay.
I used to have an old strategy where I learned it from Linda Rishkoff. She was one of the like first women traders, and she's legendary if you search her name up. And she said, to sell at 85 RSI H4, and it works every time. And it worked for a while until it stopped working recently in the Trump market. So I think they kind of like patched that.
oh.
So we basically you're not gonna give us your strategy, so we need to use with our unprofitable trade.
Hmm.
Bro, I told you guys the strategy, bro. If bro wants to tell you, the one who fully understands it, he could tell you guys. But I told you, I'll tell you one time, bro. That's all I could do
No, no.
because
I think me and you will keep it a secret.
yeah, because if they patch that, we're fucked, and then we have
Yeah.
to look for another strategy for years.
Yeah. Exactly.
So just because 2 means it's gonna fuck up your strategy.
We don't work with the BlackRock, man.
Bro, if they figure out this is what we're doing, bro, when they see that we're entering in heavy, bro, they're gonna reverse it. That's what they did to that one kid with the AI company that was a billionaire. They reversed the shit out of everything he did, and he lost everything.
Yeah.
All right. So, uh, what are your thoughts about? Have you heard about ICT and FPGs?
He's taking the notes. So
Yeah, my friends they showed
no,
me
no.
that they use that.
What's happening? Like, who's calling you every 5 seconds?
One of my friends has a Lamborghini from doing ICT, so it should work well. He was telling me about it. He said it was good, but he did start off
Make
with a
sure he's not
business.
selling the courses.
He did start off with a business, where he was putting in $2,000 accounts and he just fucking do the fuck it strategy and just gamble it. And one time he hit 100K, and ever since then he's just been on a roll because he could just keep putting in 2K from the 100K, and he hit another 50, 20, whatever it was. And sometimes it just is it's up to chance still, even with some of these good strategies.
So, what are your thoughts about that?
I think ICT is good. Like, he's in a Lambo from it. It has to work. Whatever they're teaching in that should be some good stuff.
Yeah, absolutely. But the question is, Spark also trade FPG. Why he don't have Lamborghini?
Oh yeah, dude. FEG is really good, bro.
Yeah,
FEG.
Yeah.
but Mr. Spark
But the problem, the
also
problem
has a
is, the
Lambo.
problem is the FVG is only giving me a GLS. I don't want a GLS. I want a Lambo.
Yeah, FEG. See, that's the thing, because FEG, like, it depends on how you use it. Just like if you're using a pattern, if you use the pattern at the wrong moment, you're fucked. But that pattern could become valid later on, and it's gonna make you not want to take it when it looks the worst that it's gonna be, because you're gonna be like, oh, I got an SL. Now I don't want to follow the pattern. Then the pattern works. So it's kind of like you have to figure out why it works and figure out when it's going to work, right? Rather than just believing that it'll always work. Or you have to figure out another way of making that come into play some way, shape, or form, which is, that's the hardest part.
So can you bring your friend on to teach us this
But
Lambo
DDG
pattern?
says, leave a door. Please
I'm not
knock.
going to lie, he
Do
heard
not
from me,
ring
and then he said
doorbell.
something
Baby
about
is
ICT,
sleeping.
and I haven't talked to him since. He was like, bro, you need to do ICT, and then he just posted up in a yours.
Oh.
You sure it's his or it's rented?
He was sending me YouTube videos. It should be on YouTube, some of it, but I don't know who he's
What's
watching.
what's what's his name?
My friend, his name is Greg,
Mm.
and he's in France.
So he trade in the forex market or future?
Me and him only trade gold and Bitcoin. That's what we've always traded since we've met each other, like 5 years ago.
Okay, so what you think about Bitcoin?
Bitcoin, it's bullish for sure.
Do you think we're going to get a pullback?
My bad, bro. I'm like doing some other stuff right now, but
Do you think we're going to 40K?
40K. I don't think so. I think the bottom's in. They did the whole Epstein files as part of Bitcoin, and they got a way of making it crash and taking everybody's money, and then right when they got it to 50, and I actually had a dream, bro. I had a dream that it would go down, and it a little off. It went to 59K, and everyone was telling me I was crazy, and I don't really dream, so it was kind of like a prophecy. They're like, "You're crazy, you're crazy. That's not gonna happen." And it was like 2 weeks later, it's fucking zeroing in at like 65, going straight down. I was like, "Bro, I told you guys," and they were like, "Holy shit! Like, how did you know?" I was like, "I don't know. I just dreamed of it. I just had a feeling it was gonna happen, and it happened." But I'd say the bottom's in. They tricked everyone. They faked everyone out. Now everyone's gonna keep thinking it's going down, and then what is it gonna do? The market loves loves to do the opposite of what everyone thinks it's going to do. So if everyone thinks it's going to continue down, most likely it's going to go up, right? Like with Plantier,
So,
everyone tried to sell
so
it to
you
shit,
had,
and
so
then
you
one
found the
earning
bottom.
call.
So you found the bottom via a dream.
What happened?
You said you had a dream and
Yeah, I had
and
a
the
dream
bottom
when
of
Bitcoin
Bitcoin
was at
came in.
110K that it was going
You
to go
shouldn't be
down to
calling yourself the
15,000.
trading physics. You should be calling yourself the trading prophet.
I never had another dream like it, bro. But I'll tell you what, that dream, like it actually became true, which is insane if you think about it.
Man,
AFX, put him in premium. We
I
have a
dream.
trading prophet.
Wait, I dream every single day for me being a president of United States of America. You think it's gonna come true?
Yeah, but think about it. That dream might not come true, but coming from someone who doesn't dream and that shit came true, it's kind of
Man,
weird, right?
you know what? I have more chances to become a president than you dreaming about the Bitcoin and it's pushing literally up. Why? Because that's more than $1 trillion market. You are basically moving $1 trillion market from your dream, and
It's not that I moved it from my
I
dream.
cannot
It's just that
spend
I had a
few
feeling.
hundred billions and become president.
I had a feeling that it was gonna happen, and it's solely like based off of Linda's strategy. Like I was looking at Linda's strategy, and I think it was hitting 85 at the time, and that's when I was like, I think it's gonna go down really far. And then I woke up from like a hot dream of like Bitcoin crashing and everyone freaking out, and it happened.
ਮੈਨੂੰ ਲੱਗਦਾ ਇਹਨੇ ਲਿੰਡਾ ਕਟਾਉਣੀ ਆ ਆਪਣੇ ਕੋਲੋਂ
Bro, sometimes you gotta be a little delusional in trading for shit to work in your favor. Because if you always think everything's gonna be against you, how will you win? Think about that.
You think every trade we take, we take about the losses?
I don't think about that at all.
Yes.
One time I lost 10,000 in one trade, and I
Okay?
didn't care.
So you met any trader in the world who's taking the trade just to lose money?
Obviously not, no. But everyone, that's everybody's
So it's mean
cycle. They're in
everybody is.
trading to lose money, even whether they want to believe it or not.
So it's mean everybody is delusional, right? About trading. What you just said.
Exactly, but delusional in a different way. They're delusional that they're going to make profit, but they don't know how they're going to do it.
So that's why they're here, right? They try to learn. They try to watch the YouTube videos and all that, right?
Yeah, but just like I said, when you have a really good strategy, they're not just going to tell you that strategy. They'll always leave something out. And that's what I figured out because I'd watch those videos too.
So they're just gonna post Lamborghini videos, but not the strategy.
Exactly.
So
Because
how?
that strategy is worth more than the Lamborghini.
Okay. So how you're gonna make an impact in the society? If you know something which can
Traders don't
help,
make an impact in
which
society.
which can help another person who can have a better lifestyle for his family, and if you're giving your strategy to him, even though if he's paying or if it's free or whatever is, so don't you think you're pretty much very mean to the world?
I don't know. I just think, when you came from how I did it, bro, it was just a lot of loss for 4 years, and you have to figure it out your own. And then all these people who are profitable, they do the same thing. They don't tell you how they do it, or they'll tell you, buy my course. You buy that course, and guess what? They leave out the missing key every time. So they get you for the 5K. You can't figure it out still, and you're in the same position.
So
And
what?
it's just the way that the market is. It's just the way that marketing strategies go. But
But
I
you
don't
see,
sell anything.
we do the same. We do the same. So I sell
I
my
don't
bot
sell
for
anything.
5K. I sell my bot for 5K. We have it on a cloud server. And sometimes what I'll do is I'll tweak the settings just so that so that they can lose a little bit, so they can come back to me, pay me some more, and we can fix the issue. You have to make money in this business, brother.
and we have to sell the pro firm accounts too. We are affiliated with them too, so
Yeah.
Exactly, because
Do
that's
you
why.
trade
hey
props?
Sparks, don't share all the secrets here, so
Oh, sorry, man. Sorry.
no,
Do you trade prop firms?
Don't be emotion
I
driven,
dude,
bro.
I used to trade prop firms, and guess what? You know what? When you get to that golden door with the little fucking chiseled golden handle, and you grab it, you figure out that it's a plastic handle, and that shit falls off, and they ban you, bro. It's happened to me
All
so
right.
many times.
But can you do me a favor? On your next account, when you do your prop firm, can you just put in the code AFX?
I mean, I guess I think doesn't
That would help us a lot.
doesn't TJR own Lucid?
Yeah.
Like
Yeah,
TJR
but we can
created
still
one
do
of
that.
Bro is doing Uber. This guy is fucking doing Uber.
There's nothing wrong with that, bro. I make 7K doing Uber, and I'm randomly checking the market
This
every
guy
hour.
just makes $60,000, right? And he's doing Uber.
What's wrong with that? That's how I started. Do you think I'd rather be sitting at home all day, bro?
You spending some money out there, not making. You already make on the charts, so
Why
that's
not
No,
for
make
the
an
no,
extra
it
100?
explain
poor
everything.
guys
It's
like
explain
us.
Why
AFX,
not make?
Bro,
give
you
us a
are
trade,
fucking
man.
doing Uber and you're talking about I'm not
Yeah,
sharing my strategy. I'm not
he's
doing
gonna
this.
take the trade. You can take with him and at least make some money, and yeah, we can call it a night.
Why not make 7K a month, bro, with bonuses and everything?
Why, man? If you can
Because you're
make it
making
that thing
20 and
in a day,
60K.
why you
Spark,
wanna be
Spark.
like
Here's
outside
here's your reality about that. No sharing
Ugh.
working
strategy.
for somebody else? That's why we come to the trading because we don't have to work for anybody else.
Yeah, but I do it just because I want to do it, bro. You don't
You
like. That's how I started
so you
making
wanna
the
do
money.
Uber? So when you
Yeah.
born, your family ask, okay, so this is
Even my
our
girlfriend
son.
always
What
asks me
he's
why
gonna be
are you
when he
still
grow
doing
up?
that?
You're like,
Because I
no,
want
I
to.
wanna be an Uber driver. I'm gonna drive for Uber,
Oh,
even though I'm making.
that's the reason he have a girlfriend. Yeah, don't get the expensive things, man. You see, your all the trading profits goes there, and now you have to do the Uber. So yeah, that's why I'm saved. I
There's
don't
no
have a
shame.
girlfriend.
There's no shame in Uber, bro. Because think about it. At a regular
No, no,
job,
no. There is no shame in a
37%
Uber.
taxes.
Just you keep the expensive things. That's why you have to do the Uber after the trading. So I do the trucking too. That's why
Sorry,
it's
brother.
called.
Look,
My
All right,
name is.
I got you.
these gentlemen are being very mean to you,
I
and
make
they're
200 a
bullying you
day
right
on
now.
Uber, bro. That's more than people do in trading. They just lose money. And if you think about it, I risked a
But you're not
thousand
losing
dollars
money,
on that
bro. That's the
strategy.
point. You're not losing money. You're making
Exactly.
$60,000.
And I'm making more money doing a
Yes.
job, bro.
Yes. Oh, so you're making 60,000 with trading and 7,000 for from the Uber.
Yeah, and guess what? I'm walking around and I'm
That's a
not sitting
cherry on
on
the
my
top.
ass all day.
Bro, I think you're
You
gonna
need a
get
cherry on
another
the top
order,
of the ice cream.
so I'm gonna give you a break, okay? Take more orders, make more money, okay? Instead of
Yeah, man.
7,000, make 2,000
Don't
more.
don't do the distract driving. So I
Yeah.
don't wanna see you in the news
Yeah, thanks for
tomorrow. So
explaining the strategy. Guys,
yeah.
this is the reason why you get fucked up. These people, they have zero idea. Like this guy, he's just LARPing. As soon as he show up, I make
Hey, Sparks,
60,000.
do
I
not
make
tell him the
this. I
strategy,
my
please.
friend have a Lamborghini, might have this, might have this. Overall, I mean, this is the reality. Like meanwhile, he's doing Uber. Why he's keep doing going on and off, on and off, on and off? This is why. Mother cluckers. Cockroaches, cockroaches.
That was the funniest.
That was fun.
Your
Man,
reaction about the Uber.
just
Oh my God.
let him do the thing, man. Why you expose him very soon? We are having fun. Me and Spark having fun. So that's too soon.
See, this is an average trader mindset. This is how. Mm,
No, we are selling on our own terms. So it's not nothing to like. The institute don't work. If I took like $100,000 payout, they don't care. But you think they care about us? No, they don't care.
Mm.
So why they would wanna keep eye on us? Are we something special. No.
Now, he's the guy that believes that institutions target your stop loss.
Yeah, when I'm gonna visit the stock exchange, so I'm gonna ask them same thing. So
Yeah. I don't know how you figured that out. I didn't even know Uber did that.
Yes, he did. Like he's doing,
Ugh.
I don't know, maybe like deliveries or something like that. So
Yeah, I would never have known.
yeah, no, I know. Like it's look like he's doing the DoorDash. I'm about to say just let him deliver his order because he's ringing the doorbell or something somewhere. So
I, Spark, trust me, I know that how it sounds. I I used to do that a lot. I used to do that.
Oh, okay.
it's come from experience.
It's come from
Yeah, you can
experience.
tell
I
I'm
can
not.
literally in few seconds
I'm
I
not
know
from that side.
this is the sound I know. This is the sound I know.
Oh wow.
Oh, there's a song like it's a sound like a police. Uh,
Yeah.
ਅੱਜ
Used
ਤਾਂ
to be
ਆਪਾਂ ਨੂੰ
better. Yeah.
ਘਰ ਨੂੰ ਹੀ ਜਾਣਾ ਪੈਣਾ ਅੱਜ ਤਾਂ
Yeah.
no I still do trucking. That's my main thing. Like, but it's not like you need at least 300,000 to buy a truck and a trailer. It's
Hmm.
not an easy thing to
Yeah.
the
No,
do
it's
the trucking.
Yeah, no, no,
that's a proper
that's your job,
business.
brother. That's cool.
Yeah.
You know,
I have
and
like if you know he's taking on the wrong side. It's like, oh, are you? What's wrong with the Uber? There's nothing wrong with the Uber, man. I also used to do that. It's completely fine. The issue is the things you are saying and the things you're doing. It's not matching, right? The way he's talking about the strategy and the money he's making, he's larping, and the things he's doing, like it's a big conflict.
No, the straight thing is if you are not selling anything,
Mm.
you don't have to be on the TikTok or any trade. If your things are working for you, you want to keep a secret. Why you come and if you're your own live, that's fine. You come to somebody's live and you're gonna say no, no, it's a secret, and you're gonna start telling this is my secret. There's no secret in it.
Yeah.
Maybe I don't know the things how that works, but our things work for us. And personally, I am on the TikTok or like on the social media because I'm selling my things over here.
I just got a
I'm making
message.
money out of it, so it's a be straight. If somebody says you are selling it, yeah, I'm selling it.
I just got a message and it said someone was over here trying to troll you.
No, he's a 25,000 K guy per month, so
he's a creator of a strategy.
60,000.
oh
Wait,
60,000. So I missed out.
25,000,
He's
40,000,
he's
60,000.
he's basically making 60,000 from trading and 7,000 from Uber.
Bro got a expensive girlfriend. That's why he have to do the practice. Yeah, man.
And
You can't
his
understand the
friend
ladies.
also on Lamborghini as well.
That was the guy that.
Maybe he's an imaginary friend too in the
Yeah.
dreams.
So how he trades? So every night he sleep, he get a dream, and next morning he take that trade and Bitcoin starts pushing all the way up. So that's his strategy. That's the funniest one. He said you have to be delusional and proved he is. Yes. Yeah, actually he is delusional.
So was he trying to come up here to just get followers? Like,
No,
what was
no,
his
No,
he's
goal?
no,
just
look,
here
he
for
was
fun.
Kitty. He was a young kid,
Yeah.
and um,
The
look,
average
He
kid.
just want to flex.
AFX. You remind me a lot about when I was younger.
Yeah.
You're very brutal, right? But you don't try and understand the other person's perspective. As you get older, you'll come to realize that you'll understand these people's situation. The guy's a kid. He's 24. He's young, and he's just excited. He wants a little bit of recognition. Like that's all it was. That was just a bit of that. Um,
Oh, okay.
I'm sure he's a nice person. It's just yeah.
Yeah, he just
Okay.
wants somebody to talk to him. So
He
that's
just
all.
need he just need validation. That's all.
Yeah, audience basically.
Oh, okay.
No, but
Well, I mean, he's young, so.
his account is
I'm
private,
sure he's got
so
a good heart.
his
Yeah, yeah.
his account is
Maybe
private.
he recently watched the video, whatever he's telling. So whenever you are see something new on the YouTube and your mind start like, yeah, this thing gonna work. This is working. It's like that. That's why most of the guys attract to the ICT. So they say the things in a heavy words. So the people thinks like me, people they don't know the English very well. They think, yeah, this is going to be good.
It's
If
hard to
they're
understand.
saying something I don't understand, this is going to be good. So yeah,
All right. You went back to
see
bed.
you all tomorrow evening, and oh, the TJR joined. TJR to your life. Okay,
All
say
right.
hi to the TGR from me, and it's 11 o'clock. Going to sleep.
Take care, man.
Thank you all. Yeah, see you.
See you
ठीक है
soon.
भाईजान मिलते हैं.
11 o'clock. It's still early, brother.
No, it's too late for me. I
Fact,
have
No,
some
no.
things to do
fact check के
outside.
लाने होते हैं ना.
Now I go to sleep like 9.
You know AFX. He starts his live. It's 11 o'clock at night, my time. 11:30.
Yeah, no, but usually I just finish my trading by 9 o'clock if I'm doing the Asia, and
Yeah. But my point is, do you think that he should change his trading
no,
session time so that
he's in a mountain time, right?
Yeah. So
Yeah,
if
so he's
I
fine.
Spark,
I'm in a central time, so
yeah, Spark, if you change the NYSE open time, then yes, we can definitely change the trading session.
yeah. Now he
And
have to open up in the early morning. So
yes, I have
in
to
the
open
New
at
York
4.
session,
Yeah.
4 a.m. Oh,
Yes.
that
okay,
I
okay.
have to.
I'm gonna call Trump. How much do you think it's gonna cost me to change the NYSE time?
now you can change it in
What's the market
free.
cap?
And then you can change it in the free, but there is a secret idea.
Yeah. It's a
You can
secret.
dream about it. You
Yeah.
can dream about it. Maybe
Yeah.
That's
your
true.
dream come
How did I
true.
not know? Man,
Okay,
you're
see you
absolutely
guys
right.
tomorrow. Thank you, Sparks.
See you,
Thank you,
man.
Kitty. Thank you, bye.
Bye bye.
Assalamu
Take care, buddy.
yeah.
Yes, Spark. So are you gonna get a dream tonight for gold tomorrow?
No, I'm not a prophet. That was fucking crazy.
You sound like you're having more fun than any one of us. Like, yeah,
That
it's
was
working,
cool.
it's doing this, it's doing that. Yes, I understand this and all that. I was like, okay.
Mm. I want his dream indicator.
You think I was being rude to him? I
I
was
think you're being
listening
a
to
little
him.
bit.
You know what?
Yeah.
When he joined the call, I know like he's lurking. That's why I wasn't paying any attention. Like I asked him, like, man, you're not here for learning or asking questions. You're just here to get that validation. That's why I was
Mm.
like, and you guys also
No, no,
know.
I know, I know,
Yeah.
I know, I know. You have a little bit less patience than I do. These kind of people, I sit down and I listen. I give them some time, and I'm like, oh yeah, 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 true, yeah, no, absolutely. But you'll
But
get that with age.
we
As
give
you get older, you'll get more patient.
yeah, exactly. But we try to give him the full time, but then I think he's getting more rights.
Mm.
Yeah, I think in my dream, this hour is might gonna flip, and we might gonna see another booster stocks. Just sharing my dream. That's it.
Keep dreaming. We're going up. hilarious is the fact that it's your strategy, but then I'm here going, no, 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 no. No.
Same with the FPG. Tahit Johan, target. Target is to the zero. Gold is gonna go 0 to 90. It depends.
No.
The target, Tahit, when I'm gonna sleep and wake up tomorrow, that's where I'm gonna see the target. Right now, I cannot see it because I'm still awake.
Tell him target is 4720s to 4730. If we fail to break down from there, it's 4755.
So don't you think if the price is, let's say, pushing up from here,
Mhm.
there is no point that it's gonna come down. It's just gonna ignore 4720, 4730. It can easily go 470 as well, because
Yeah, I want to target eventually. Look, I think I'm going to pull up that picture I sent you before. I think if not this week, then next week we might go up to 4780. I still can't, like, my intuition, yeah, my feeling, right? And I'll confirm with my dreams tonight whether we're going to hit the 783 mark. So once I get the confirmation from God, I will let you know. But right now, we're looking at, that's our ultimate target. But do you not think it was a coincidence that the fib levels match and my feelings confirm?
yeah, gut feeling is saying it. Yeah.
Mm.
Yeah, so once this hourly flip breaking its lows, that's where I am looking on sell side. Because okay, you're saying it's gonna push up, but if you see even the high time frame, let's say even on the dailies, if it starts pushing up, then there is no way it's gonna stop at on 20s or 30s. It's gonna go all the way, go try to break that 47 zone and try to reach 48s. Very, very soon. But that can happen. It might not be today, but I would say maybe on Friday or maybe on next week Friday, because there's end of the week. So price is like uh, do that arrangement beforehand, right?
Okay. Yep.
So that's the
I don't doubt. I'm not saying no, but what I'm seeing, right? If you have a look at your daily, you've got two equal highs at 754, right? Generally, before we get a reversal during two equal highs, is we'll come up, we'll touch the top, and then it'll be a violent push back down to create like a wick to clear out everybody that's up there, and then the cells will start. Like I said, I don't think that mark, like we've gone up so hard, for us not to touch the weekly market structure would be a very big surprise for me.
and
Anyways, it doesn't really matter. Whatever it doesn't really matter. We trade what we see,
yeah.
and that's it. Maybe not today, maybe not. Yeah, we can both have theories, but what the market does, the market does. We just follow what the market
So
says.
so if this weekly flip is it gonna change your price or not? It's
Absolutely.
what, like it's around 100 ticks away from, almost a little over 100 ticks away from flipping the weekly. Then
But we flipped last night. Now we flipped back up bullish, right?
yes, but it's still
Yeah.
struggling. It didn't just go all the way up, right? It dropped.
Mm.
It gave the retracement little bit up. Now it's slowly starting pushing down. So let's say during the NY session, or maybe I would say next hour or two, we might gonna see this weekly flip, and then maybe in New York session, we might gonna see continuation towards downside. Why? Because
Yeah.
look at the daily. Current daily have literally right next to lower wick. I
non-farm?
Yes, it's very different.
Oh,
It's
okay.
medium impact movement. NFT,
Okay.
that's the non-farm. That's crazy. That's the one of the biggest impact movements to the world.
Yeah. All
Yeah.
right, my friend. I'll catch you later. Are you gonna stay on for a while, or you're done?
No, I'm done. Your friend is here in the chat though. He's asking you why you didn't have to do a job if you're profitable.
Oh, I never claimed that I made $60,000 a month, and I've been trading for 6 months only. So, how long have I been with you, AFX?
10 years.
Come on, man. Like, this is my third month now, but in that time, and I don't have a job, by the way. I own a business that's managed. So, yeah, it's a little bit different. A little bit different. Mm. I trade for fun.